How to use Gemini AI for presentation. You can use Gemini AI for presentation by generating slides and content directly in a Google Slide, creating a presentation from scratch on the Gemini website, or using it to generate images and outline as well. Now, in Google Slide, you can click on Ask Gemini to get help with summarizing, creating a new slide, or suggesting visuals. So you need to understand that to use Ask Gemini feature on Google Slide, this is not available if you don't have a premium version of your Gemini. So if you have a basic or a free version of it, then you'll not be able to use such feature in the Google Docs itself or in the presentation. So basically you could go ahead and do is open up Gemini on your device. You want to go ahead and type in the prompt what presentation that you have. So I'm going to type in, you could go ahead and set a word limit, all that stuff. It's going to provide you with all the information necessary. All you need to do is just copy paste and then adjust it in the slide where you actually want to present it, maybe in the first part and all that stuff. And this way you'll be able to use Gemini AI for presentation. So this is an alternative version of it, but if you have a premium account, you could simply use it in the Google presentation itself, and that is how you could use that is how you could use Gemini AI for presentation. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.